Hey everyone, welcome back to this learning. In this video, I'm going to explain what middleware is in a ASP.NET Core and how you can create your own custom middleware with simple examples. Let's start. In a ASP.NET Core, middleware is a component inside the HTTP request pipeline. Every incoming request passes through a chain of middleware components, and each one can do some work before passing the request to the next component. A middleware can handle the request, modify the request or response, or pass control to the next middleware in the pipeline. So the flow looks like this: request middleware, one middleware, to endpoint, and when the response comes back, it travels in reverse order. ASP.NET Core already provides many built-in middlewares, for example, routing, authentication, authorization, static files, and endpoints. Now let's see how to create a custom middleware. Custom middleware using class-based approach. See this while showing the code. Here is a simple custom logger middleware. It prints the request details before the next middleware runs and prints the response details afterward. Then register it in program.cs. We can also create middleware inline using the use method. Where middleware is useful, middleware is commonly used for logging, authentication, exception handling, custom headers, request filtering, and performance tracking. So, middleware basically gives us full control over how a request is processed inside our application. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, like the video, share it with your developer friends, and subscribe to Sklearning for more smart learning. Happy coding!